Hi my friends. Located in a leafy and quiet complex in Mansfield, this 2-bedroom apartment is coming onto the market very soon. Let's go in and have a look. As you can see, there are plants, trees, and flowers around the building, making it an amazing environment for the residents. Let's walk upstairs and get into the unit. As you walk into this unit, the first thing you can see is this huge, well-presented living area. And on the left side is the dining table. Also, if you walk through this living area, you can get onto the balcony. Next to the living area is a separate kitchen. Let's go and have a look. The kitchen is designed with a wooden bench top, premium appliance, plus a window for fresh air. Walk out of the kitchen, let's get into the bedrooms. The first bedroom also have a window to bring in sunlight during the day. It also have a built-in wardrobe. Next to the bedroom is a separate toilet and a full bathroom. It has a bath, have sink, and a shower. One of the best features is this master bedroom. It's really spacious, oversized, a built-in wardrobe, and have a sliding door go to that balcony. Standing on this balcony, you can enjoy the peaceful, leafy outlook from this building. And I have a first guest coming to the inspection. I think the bird just said hello to everyone. What do you think, my friend? Do you like the property? The kitchen, the living area, the bedrooms, the window, the balcony, the layout, the floor plan, the environment, and that bird. Call me today to find out more information. I hope I can see you in the next inspection. See you next time. Bye bye.